Hey everyone, welcome. In this one we're talking about how to take a loan from your Fidelity 401k. So if you need quick access to cash and have a 401k, taking out a loan allows you to borrow against your own retirement savings without triggering taxes or early withdrawal penalties. Because you pay the interest back to yourself, it can be a great short-term solution. Okay, so firstly, let me show you how to locate the loan application inside your workspace dashboard. Open NetBenefits Fidelity right here, or the mobile app as well, that works. On the main home summary screen, log in and of course find your active 401k plan. Click the Quick Links drop-down button right next to your account balance and choose Loans or Withdrawals. On the options screen that appears, click on Explore your options and then select Model a Loan. Now we can configure your loan amount and repayment plan. So you just select your loan reason, either general purpose, which is repayable over 1 to 5 years, or primary residence, which is a longer repayment timeline for buying a home. Type in the loan amounts you wish to borrow and set your preferred repayment duration. Fidelity's calculator will automatically calculate your interest rate and show you the exact deduction that will come out of each regular paycheck. Select your payment destination, either direct deposit to your bank account or a check by mail, review the loan terms and click Submit. And also, before you confirm your application, keep 2 crucial rules in mind. First, federal guidelines limit your loan to 50% of your vested balance, up to a maximum of $50,000 across a 12-month period. And then, if you leave your employer or change jobs before the loan is fully repaid, the remaining balance usually becomes due quickly. If unpaid, it gets reclassified as a taxable distribution with an extra 10% yearly. There's going to be a penalty, so watch out. Enjoy and subscribe.